It appears to reclaim the country's safety and economy from the ravages of the pandemic. This comes as Kenya records 59 new cases of COVID-19, pushing the national tally past the 2,000 mark.
The COVID-19 pandemic has undeniably dealt a blow generations have never seen in Kenya. President Uhuru Kenyatta now says Kenya has to get back on its feet, but first, key sectors will need lots of help.
My administration will focus on an intervention by offering an initial 2 billion shillings from the exchequer to support hotels and all related establishments and to ensure that they are able to maintain their staff complement.
Major area of concern for many Kenyans revolves on when learners will get back to school. Remember, over 60% of Kenyans are aged 25 years and below. And with most engaged in schooling, their presence at home means lost study and exam time.
I am hereby directing that the Ministry of Education fast-tracks and finalizes the ongoing consultations with all stakeholders that will provide us with an appropriate calendar for the gradual resumption of education in the country.
Activities in places of worship across Kenya have suffered at the altar of COVID-19. The president, too, wants a resumption of worship worked out, even as Kenya recorded 59 new cases over the last 24 hours, taking the total national tally to 2,021 cases.
Your Excellency, while it was normal for somebody to cough, nowadays it is no longer normal. When somebody coughs, others step back and ask whether everything is okay.
The Council of Governors, however, is concerned on the availability of some 5 billion shillings allocated by the national government to aid counties in the COVID-19 fight.
We wish to report today that the Council of Governors, in consultation with the CS Health and CS National Treasury, have requested the two ministries to fast-track the release of these funds to counties. And we are hopeful that counties will receive these funds before the end of this financial year.
Kenya has now tested 80,054 samples, and Nairobi with 29 cases still leading. Mombasa follows with 14 cases. 5 more people have died, taking the total death toll to 69.
Meanwhile, President